Want to add audio to your videos, fully automated and without touching a single editing tool? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that using bookoly.com's Add Audio to a Video feature. We use n8n as our automation platform, and the Bookoly app handles the audio-video merge behind the scenes. This setup is ideal for creators looking to enhance content like reels, product demos, tutorials, or short clips with music. You don't have to build the workflow from scratch. I've placed the workflow JSON file in the video description if you want to import it later. For now, just follow along as I explain each step and why we do it. Let's jump in and build the workflow together step by step. In this example, we keep things simple by storing all our data in a Google Sheet, but feel free to use any service that works with n8n. First, create a new sheet in your Google Drive with 6 columns named Row, Title, Volume, Video URL, Audio URL, and Bookoly URL. Here's what each column is for. Row is a unique identifier for each row. Title is the name of your video. We'll send it to Bookoly as the video name. Volume lets you control how loud the background music should be. The value represents the percentage of the original audio volume. 100 means full volume, 50 is half volume, and so on. Video URL should contain a public, downloadable link to your video file. Audio URL is the link to your background music or soundtrack. Bookoly URL is where we'll store the link to the final video after Bookoly has processed it. This allows us to use it in follow-up workflows if needed. Click on Add First Step in n8n. Then select the Google Sheets node from the right menu. To trigger the workflow, every time we add a new row to the sheet, choose the trigger on row added. For poll times, you can select any mode. Next, select the document and sheet from the lists. In this example, my sheet is called Videos with Music. Let's add a new row to the sheet with a row, title, volume, video, and audio URL. In this case, we're using the video and audio URLs generated from previous videos of this playlist. The good thing is, Bookoly makes all results easily reusable, so you can quickly plug them into new workflows. Back in n8n, click Fetch Test Event to retrieve the data we just added as a new row in our sheet. Great! Now that we have all the necessary details from our Google Sheet, we can add the background music to our video. Select the Bookoly node and the action Add Audio to a Video. For the name of the new video, drag and drop the title to the name input field. For the video URL, drag and drop the video _URL to the video URL input field. I won't mute the original video because it contains a voiceover that should remain audible. If your video contains audio that should be muted, enable the Mute Video option. Then drag and drop audio _URL to the audio URL input field. I enable the option Trim Audio because the duration of my audio file is longer than the video duration. Lastly, drag and drop the volume to the volume input field. Next, we'll write the finished video URL created by Bookoly back to the Google Sheet. Select the Google Sheets node and the Update Row in Sheet action. Choose the same document and sheet from the first node. For column to watch on, select the column Row. Remove title, volume, video URL, and audio URL from Values to Update. To be able to write the Bookoly URL to the Google Sheet, we need to execute the previous node once. Click on Execute Previous Nodes. Drag and drop the URL from the input to the Bookoly URL form field. In the last step, change the input to Google Sheets trigger, and drag and drop the row value to the row form field. Now let's execute the workflow to see it in action. Bookoly will process everything and return a finished video link. It will be saved automatically back to your sheet. You can simply click the link in your Google Sheet to view the final video. With everything working as expected, don't forget to enable the workflow so it runs automatically in the future. With the automation active, let's head over to bookoly.com and take a look at the result. Go to the Videos section and click the video to open the Details page. Here you can see all the information for the video and audio. Now let's hit play to take a look at the result.
You know what I love most about my white poodle? When I'm sad, she curls up right next to me like she knows. It's like having a fluffy little best friend who just gets you.
Artlist.io
And that's it. You've just automated the process of adding background music to a video using bookoly and n8n. This method is a real time saver for building content that feels polished and professional without ever opening a video editor. In the next video, I will show you how to transcribe and translate any media file automatically using Bookoly's transcribe audio or video feature, so you can easily repurpose your content for captions, blogs, or translations. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who creates content at scale. Thanks for watching.